sindong may crush kay Ate Emma. As moments passed by, your presence only came in passing through. I didn't notice you much only because you were so serious, sungit, and quiet all the time. In short, hindi nagtutugma yung pagka-OA ko sa pagka-nonchalant. Until one day, you suddenly appeared in my dream. Nakatight shot pa. Looking back, naisip ko na sobrang random naman nun. I mean, we barely even held eye contact, yet alone a proper conversation. Approximately 100 days later, as I write this letter, I have come to a revelation that my dream was fate's way of telling me that I was meant to fulfill my dreams and stay on this journey with you. Tinadhana akong tapusin ang laban na ito sa akin. Naalala ko ba yung pinakaunang beses na namangha ako sa iyo? This is when you were week 3 Sweetie Task Leader, aka Talk at Baboy era. And huwag naman sana lalaki yung ulo mo, but you being able to command the room with your leadership skills was what really kept me in awe. Magaling na nga magluto, natural leader ba? As moments passed, another circumstance which made me understand as to why you were chosen by Kuya was when you were left in the secret room alone. You were last to leave and yet pinili mo pa rin sabihin na that's okay because you would have wanted to put everyone else before you. That certain situation made me realize that your unselfishness, generosity, is often overlooked in this house. When in fact, ikaw ang isa sa pinakamapagbigay na tao na kilala. I hope you never change because thus, this is what truly sets you apart from others. Dustin, thank you for making me stronger. Dahil sa iyo, niniwala ako sa sarili ko at sa kakayanan kong labanan ang mga pagsubok na kailanman hindi ko akalain malalagpasan ko. From day one, you have been consistent in showing me your unending support, and I wouldn't trade anything, and I would trade anything for the world for you to see through my eyes. I always tell you that I don't miss home as much when I'm around you kasi literal na prinsesa ako sa'yo. Alagang-alaga at iniintindi mo, alagang-alaga at iniintindi sa bawat segundo ng bawat oras. Okay, tama na, cheesy na. I want you to know that I'm always proud of you. Kahit na magbago dito ng mundo, kahit na talikuran ka nilang lahat, o kahit na makailang away pa tayo, hindi ako magsasawang piliin ka araw-araw. No matter what, always and forever. Love you.
Lagi akong naghahanap ng chance para ipakita sa iyo kung gaano ka special. Finally, I got the chance to express myself through a letter. I always say that entering PBB is very unexpected for me, but I didn't expect that a person would make it cherishable. Binigyan mo ako ng bagong idea from the moment I first saw you coming from the garden area. Ang slow mo eh. Kasi sobrang confident mo, sobrang cute mo, sobrang ganda. Tsaka maingay. but also for giving me a new perspective in different aspects. Ang dami kong natututunan sa'yo. And and I really can't deny that you made me a better person. Hearing your stories opened me to a lot of things. From your career to your love to people, especially for your family. That made me love mine even more. You really have a great heart, Bianca. And naalala ko nung pinahiram mo lahat ng damit mo sa mga girls na ni isang damit mo na nang natira sa'yo. Diba? Sino naman? Si Ralph, si AZ. Pinahiram niya lahat ng damit niya kay Ralph and kay Ralph. Yun. Diba? Kaya, meron ka na lang sa akin. Feeling ko para-paraan mo naman. Ayun. Kahit ilang problemang dumating sa nasabay-sabay, kinakaya mo. You are a fighter. One thing I also admire about you is your personality. I remember telling River na you really give... Ano to? Wala ko na kasi pencil eh. You really give light inside this house. Lagi mo kaming pinapatawa, pinapasaya, at gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Kasi lagi yung tinatawag yung sarili niya. Ikaw lang po. Pasa lang. Ano ba ako?
Pencil kasi malabo na.
Labo. Gusto ko malaman mo na malaki ang naging ambag mo sa loob ng bahay. Sa bawat task na lahat ay magaling ka. Hanggat sa pagiging matapang at andyan ka para sa lahat. Hinahangaan kita kung sino ka at kung paano mo pinakita na kakayanin mo ang lahat. I'm very proud of you, Duo. You made it this far. You fought through serious battles. You showed how to be strong and not to give up. Never doubt yourself because you are unique and different in your own way. You are beautiful just the way you are.
Sweet ang banat ah.
Sabi ko, I want to end my first letter to you by saying I am beyond grateful that you came into my life. Trust me with all of my promises. I'm here to take care, protect, and make you the happiest. I can't wait for what's for us outside. I can't wait to create more memories and dreams with you, Bianca. I'll still be your duo outside at hindi ako magsasama.